Hello students, welcome all to our channel. Previous video you have started the 15 number lesson. Name of it's fun with magnets. In this lesson now up to here you have studied what is meant by magnet and magnetic materials, non-magnetic materials, its definition and its examples. So now today we are going to start the next part of this lesson. Long ago years when peoples travel in the sea or ocean or in the sky, then they face a big crisis of the direction. But after the study, there is the people of China and peoples of Europe. It was known quite long ago to the people in China and Europe that piece of magnetite. Before the peoples long ago they travels in the sea and ocean. Then it was known quite a long ago the people China and Europe that a piece of magnetite, this is the piece of magnetite. They are very useful when they travel in the sea or ocean or in the sky. They known when the piece of magnetite hung freely, then always settle in the north and south direction. मॅग्नेटाईट खडकाचा तुकडा टांगल्यास तो नेहमी दक्षिण उत्तर दिशेने स्थिरावतो, हेही जुन्या काळातच युरोप आणि चीनमधील लोकांच्या लक्षात आले होते. These rocks then come to be used for finding the direction while traveling through unknown regions. If the people travel in the unknown region, then they do not understand which directions they goes. That time the help of that piece of magnetite, they understand the direction of north and south direction. The help of that piece of magnetite. That is why they are also called lodestone, leading stones. These lead to the invention of the mariner's compass. हा जो खडक आहे, या खडकामुळे दिशा शोधण्यासाठी याचा खूप मोठा उपयोग होत असे. पुढे या खडकाला लोडस्टोन असे म्हणतात. यातूनच पुढे होकायंत्राची निर्मिती झाली आहे. मॅग्नेट्स कॅन हॅव अ व्हरायटी ऑफ शेप्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन देअर युजेस. टुडेज मॅग्नेट्स आर यूज्ड इन मेनी मशीन्स and gadgets or devices that magnets use, that magnets made, they are all man-made magnets. See the alongside picture and find out where the magnet shows here are used. See the various types of the magnets. First is the bar magnets, disc magnet, horseshoe magnets, ring shaped magnet, cylindrical magnets, as also small button magnets are the different shape of magnets in everyday use. Now let us learn the next point is magnetism. When a magnet attracts an object, that object is displaced. Why displaced? Due to the magnetic force. In place like various departments, for example factories, they use the magnet, ports, bandar, they use the magnet, and Garbage depots. Large objects are shifted from place to place. For this purpose, cranes with magnets are used. Work is done by magnetic force. This shows that magnetism is a kind of energy. Let us see the next point is characteristics of a magnet. Let's try this. Determine the direction in the class or laboratory. Tie a thread to the center of a bar magnet and hang it from a stand. वर्गामध्ये एक दिशा निश्चित करा. एक पट्टी चुंबक मधोमध दोरा बांधून एक स्टँडला अडकवा. मॅग्नेट कोणत्या दिशेत स्थिर झाला ते नोंदवा व पुन्हा मॅग्नेट गोल फिरवा. Note the direction in which the magnet settles and turn it around again. Let us settle and note the direction. Do this many times. What do you observe here? We understand the characteristics of magnet. A magnet always settles in the north-south direction. When in the class or when we at home do this type of the experiment, then we understand the magnet always settles in the north-south direction. This is the first characteristics of magnet. Let us learn the next characteristics of magnet. See the alongside magnet. The end of a magnet that points to the north is called the north pole below direction, while the end that points to the south is called the south pole. The north pole is indicated by N and the south pole by S. Place some iron filings on a sheet of paper and pass a bar magnet over them. Take a dish, put in the dish of iron filings, and when we a magnet, bar magnet over them pass. Pick up the bar magnet by holding it in the center. What do you see? To which part of the magnet do most of the iron filings stick? On which part do we see fewer filings? What can we conclude from this? On this activity, on this character, we understand the second characters of magnet is the magnetic force is concentrated at the two end or poles of a magnet. This is the second characteristics of magnet is the magnetic force is concentrated at the two end or poles of a magnet. Here we complete our two characteristics of magnet. Let us see the next characteristics of magnet. Take a bar magnet that can be cut with scissors or knife. Take iron filings on a sheet of paper and place the magnet on it. Cut the magnets and after take iron filings on a sheet of paper and place the magnet on it. Most of the iron filings will be seen to stick to its poles. Now cut the magnet into two pieces as shown in the picture and place those pieces on iron filings. Pick up each of the piece and observe them. What do you find? If a magnet is divided into two parts, the independent magnets are formed. It means that the two poles of a magnet cannot be separated from each other. This is the third characteristic of magnet. Which of these? If a magnet is divided into two parts, two independent magnets are formed. It means that the two poles of a magnet cannot be separated from each other. Okay students, now today's here we stop. Now today's you have studied in this video. types of magnet, mariner compass, and 3 characteristics of magnet. All of you students read the lesson. I hope all of you understand the today's part is very well. Thank you.